you're dealing with the different departments and different people. And how do you navigate that? Like you have the engineer who wants it done, but then you have the IT, and then you have the enterprise group, you have the finance guys. I mean, how do you navigate through all those people?
Yeah, it is a challenge that we see. We like to call them pods. So you have like the IT pod, we have the engineer pod, we have the technical. We like to divide like the technical pod and the management pod because everybody want to solve problems that are unnecessary problems, And then IT side, for example, comes over with like all these in quote cybersecurities, which is still a concern, but sometimes like how you're gonna have a data from an IO block, right? And then how that IO block is going to be like cybersecurity compliance if it doesn't have even an OS running, you know. Going back, wrapping up a little bit on your question. Usually, I like to have a kickoff call to understand like what are the pain points and all these different like pods and what they have it in or in their experience, so I can at least shovel their ideas what they have and bring them closer and closer. So like sometimes people, oh, we have a PC controller, IT person says that way, but if we're it's not actually a PC, it's a controller. So we're trying to close that gap between the engineering and the IT. And that's where we try to be a very good integrator, where we close that gap between IT and OT, you know. But overall, we put everybody in the meeting. We do that traditional kickoff, see the pain point, what are the pain points in the project, and then we start bringing them as close as possible, and we start working with them individually in different phases of the project. But
There
at
you go.
the end, we try to kind of wrap up and everything, do like a customer review and see if like it's compliance with everybody. If the engineer guy's happy, if the IT guy's happy, the manager likes to see all the pretty spreadsheets and the graphics on the screen. So we try to wrap up and everything.